Okay, in today's video we're going to go over a trade setup that one of my subscribers found. Actually, he took one of the original classes on how to do the price analysis, and this is what he found. So this one's for you, Rodrigo. If you look at this prior high to low swing here, this was $46.82. If you look at this high to low swing here, this is $45.74, kind of similar. And if you look at the most recent decline, we have $45.76. Okay, so you take the symmetry tool and basically take 100% of that prior decline, project it from the recent high. We're also going to do the same thing here, take the prior high to low, project it from the recent high, and that by itself is actually a setup, 86.06 to 87.14. But it gets a little bit more interesting because I have a couple of other price relationships that overlap. So if you take the larger low to high swing, there is a 618 that's not too far from that general area. 85.23 is where the 618 comes in. And then if you also run the most recent low to high, you'll see that a 786 retracement also overlaps. So I like doing the weekly charts though, because if there's a large swing, then the potential, if the setup starts to play out, is huge. Because if you look at the past, the last time that you had a $45 decline, you had a $59 rally. The last time that you had this decline over here, well, it wasn't quite as much as the other, but if you take the low to the high, it was followed by a $31 rally. So this is the setup. It comes in with IRBT on a weekly chart. The zone comes in between 85.23 to 87.14. If we hold above here, you look for taking buy triggers. Now, what's the potential target if this holds? Well, the first targets are really going to be projections from some of these prior swings on the way up. So these would be some initial minor targets. But let's say if this low ends up being more important, then your upside potential is going to be the 1272 of that full swing. Okay? Now, it may not hold, but if it does, that's what you want to look for. So that's a nice little setup for you in IRBT, and you just want to see if it triggers according to the time frame that you trade.